Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about pie chart. What is a pie chart? This is the pictorial representation of data in which we can use use sector of circle to represent some given data, or actually it is used how we share some portion to a particular data. Generally, we use pies or sectors of a circle to represent the data. So let's see how we represent. Now, as you are observing, this is a circle. Here we use this circle for pie chart. Before we start the discussion, always remember that the angle made by the radius of the circle, complete angle, is your 60 degrees. Suppose this is your center of the circle and this is radius. So if a particle start to rotate around this point, by using the path of the circle, it cover 360 degree, means the value of the angle at the center must be 360 degree. So you must remember this thing, that value of the complete circle is your 360 degrees. So 360 degree. Always remember this one. So how we represent pie chart? So for this we need some data. So let me draw the data. Now here it's a data about number of students is know the languages. So in this case, Hindi known by 40 students, English known by 10 students, or you can say those who are reading this one, whatever it is given, these languages represented used by 40 students. Then this is 10, this is 8 and 6. These are 5 languages. Total number of students of that set of data is 72. Now how we represent this data? By using this pie chart. Always remember, for this we need protractor also, compass also. First we use compass to draw a circle and one of the radius. Then we use to find out the angle. How we find out the angle? As we know, the complete angle made by the circle, this one is your 360 degree, no? As already discussed, it's a 360 degree. So how we find out the angle? In this case, Hindi is read by 40 students. Total students is your 72. And this must be multiplied by 360 degree. And this is equals to, let me increase the width of the column. And this is equals to, you can see, 72 5s are, it's a 360. So 5 40s are, it's a 200 degree. This is the value of the angle. Clear? This part is used, used to draw the sector which represents Hindi. Now what about English? Similarly, in case of English, 10 students out of 72 multiplied by 360 degree, 72 5s are, it's a 50 degree. Then it's a 8 upon 72 into 360 degree equals to 40 degree. Clear? Again, this is for same, 8 upon 72 into 360, this must be 40 degree. Six by 72 into 360 degree, this is 72 5s are, this is your 30 degree. Clear? So we must use these angles to draw the sectors of the circle which represents these different languages. So let's start. Okay, I am going to represent this one. This is for first sector, it's a 200 degree. So as we know, diameter made 180 degree, and use your protractor to find the measurement of 200 degree. You must use your protractor and take one of the radius as a initial arm of the angle. So in this case, this is your initial arm, and I measure this. The value of this is must be 200 degree. We must use our protractor to find the measurement of exact degree. First, take it is 180, then 180 plus 20. This is your extra 20. So 180 plus 20, it's a 200. So this is your reflex angle 200. Now next one is your 50 degree. So this from here. Now this is your initial arm for 50 degree. This is your this not this one. This is about 40 degree. This is your angle 50 degree. This measurement must be 50 degree. Use your protractor to draw the sector. Remember, first radius act as the initial arm, then the second arm, final arm of the first angle must be the initial arm of the second angle. Second angle must be 50 degree. So we draw the measurement of 50 degree. This is your final arm for the angle 50 degree. Now next one is your 40 degree. For 40 degree, this final arm must be the initial arm, and this is the measurement of 40 degree for first 40 degree. Now but we have again one more 40 degree. So we draw, this is another 40 degree, and this is your 30 degree. You can see the sum of all these angles must be 360, either this case or this case. It means your calculation is correct. If sum of all these angles are not 360 degree, it means your calculation is not correct. You have to do the calculation once again, check the calculation, then only you are able to plot the graph. Now this is your pie chart. This pie chart, this is represents Hindi, and this is, I think it's English, Marathi, it is a Tamil, and this is your Bengali. No? So these are this is the representation of pie chart, how we represent. This is the method. Sometimes this frequency, this data is given in percentage format. So if this given in percentage format, you have to convert this percentage into fraction part. Means suppose it's a given. Okay, I am going to solve one more problem so that you can easily understand. Now as you are observing on the left hand side, this is the data given in your percentage format. Means expenditure of some person on food, it's a 30%, on rent it's a 15%, on clothing it's a 10%, transport 20%, and on education it's a 25%. How we represent this data on pie chart? So for this, let me erase this heading so that I can easily explain you. First, we find out the fraction. How we find out the fraction? 30% means 30 upon 100, or you can say 3 upon 10. Now 15 upon 10, this is also 15 upon 10. I am using some common denominator. I am not going to further simplify it. 10 upon 100, it's a 1 upon 10. 20 upon 100, it's a 2 upon 10. And similarly 25 upon 100, in this case we have to find out. Okay, let me simplify this one. 30 upon 100 is a 3 upon 10. 15 upon 100 In rough we can simplify 15 upon 100. It's not 15 upon 100, it's a 5 3s are 5 2s are 3 upon 20, it's a 3 upon 20. Then 10 upon 100, it's a 1 upon 10. 20 upon 100, it's a 2 upon 10, or we can say 1 upon 5. Now 25 upon 100, it's a 1 upon 4. This is your fraction part. We first find out the fraction, then again we find out the angle. So how we find out the angle? This is most important part. In this case we can easily find out the angle by multiplying these fraction with 360. It's a 3 upon 10 into 360. It's a 36. 36 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 3 9 on 10. 108 degree. 3 upon 20 into 360. 5 3s are 5 2s is. It's a 18. It's a 54 degree. It's a 1 upon 10 into 360. It's a 36 degree. Then 1 upon 5 into 360. It is your 5 7s are 5 2s are 72 degree. Now 1 upon 4 into 360, it's a 4 9s are, it's a 90 degree. So now we have the angles. Now it is our work to find out the angles. For this we draw a circle by using compass, draw the one radius and take this radius as an arm. So first one is your 108 degree. As we know, this is your 90 degree. So this must be your 100 degree, and this is your near about 108 degree. This is your 108 degree. Clear? Then 54 degree. So see, it's near about 160. So this must be 54 degree. This must be 108 degree. I am using my free hand, but you have to use your protector. Now 36 degree. No, it's not. Little bit smaller. It's a 36 degree. Then next 72 degree must be this one. This must be 72 degree. A little bit. This is yours. Yes. This is your 72 degree, and this is your 90 degree. Now these are the sectors representing food, rent. From this side, food, rent, clothing, transport, and that one education. So likewise we can represent the data by using pie charts. So that's all for topic representation of data by using graphs. Hope you are able to understand this one. All of you solve all the questions given in your exercise. That's all for today. Thank you.